Dude, I for real think it just didn't even snow, right? But we still got off today. Oh. It is. All right, let's go to Oakbourne.
Reporting on the snow. I mean, it's in the streets. Alright. It's looking crispy. Oh, and then it can just come off like that. That's actually lit. That's better than a shovel. That's actually... Oh. Oh, they actually found a shovel.
Oh, shit.
They actually found a normal shovel. That's actually crazy. Right, and they're taking a whole... John has a whole wheelbarrow.
I'll pack it in.
Alright. Sir, see me! Oh, shoot. Nah. Nah, bruh. 1, 2. Oh, we are not going anywhere.
We're not moving.
Oh, no, we're going. We're going.
John, hold on.
John. Oh.
Wait,
Oh.
to the ramp.
No! No! Oh, shoot! Oh! 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 Oh!
Keep going.
Yo, we're still going down! This is crazy. Ow, my foot!
Hey, get the fuck off me.
Don't tell me he's on the fucking snowboard.
Sorry, I just said my entire line that I wanted to say, and of course, the video just decided to unexist itself. But okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I couldn't get a lot of videos because my phone just instantly shut off from the cold. Which isn't surprising because like your phone battery goes down when it's cold, like a lot. So it just died. I couldn't get too many clips. Like after the hill. From the recent clip, we went out to the field and played football. It was pretty fun. And then we went up we went up like all the way over to the mansion, and we went down to this lake frozen over, and we were walking on it, and we were like made holes in the water in the lake, and we were like and we got wet, and like my hand was like freezing, but it was pretty fun, bro. But then everyone had to leave. Like Stefan left first, then James and Zach and Brandon, like one at a time over like intervals. Yeah, it was pretty fun. Me, John, and Jace were the last ones left. We were just chilling on the hill, and like a few like other people were there, like some girls from our school and a couple with their baby. And it was pretty cool. And so we were just chilling there, and we went home. But yeah, we're chilling here now, playing on my PC. That's pretty fun.
PC, bruh. Dude, it stinks. I can't link my accounts. But that's whatever. But yeah, we chilling, bro. We play. Oh, you know what? I need to download it on Battle.net. That's what I need to do. I can't download Warzone on Steam. I gotta download it on Battle.net, and then I can link my accounts. So I gotta do that. But yeah, we just chilling here, bro. We've been chilling here. I've been having fun with my PC, bro. It's crazy. I get to use it. Man, finally, but it's really cool. But yeah, be chilling here. I guess that's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow.